Hey you guys, long time no see. It's Honey. I'm back at it again with another video. For those of you who don't know me, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, that should have given you enough time to subscribe. But yeah, at Honey Lexi on everything, all social media, everything. So today you guys, I'm coming to you and we're gonna be making a vision board. I already went ahead and printed out pictures stuff that I want to do / like to do.
Guys, inspirational quotes. As you guys can see, your girl got a lot of pictures.
So first off, I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about a vision board if you don't know about it. So basically, and yeah, I see that light booming off my forehead, you feel me, off my noggin. It's all good, cause I look good. So it's whatever. Basically a vision board is like the things that you want in your future, and just, you know, just putting up pictures and a whole visual of it all on one board. You can do it like maybe this your vision board this month, this your vision board this year, the next few years. It really don't matter, okay, as long as you can visualize everything that you want and put it on this board and then put it up somewhere so you can see it every day to remind you to keep going and keep striving for everything that you want to do, your goals, your dreams, all that. All right, so we just gonna go ahead and start cutting these things out. But yeah, you guys, I've been trying to get myself together, been working on a new little project for my business. If you guys don't already follow Honey's Boutique, Honey's_boutique, go ahead and follow her on Instagram. And actually, y'all, I'm on TikTok too. I'm at Honey Lexi everything, no spaces, Honey with 2 Y's, okay, baby? But yeah. And I've actually, like, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I've actually started to get a little bit more comfortable being in front of the camera. Oh yeah, and this is a great time for me to talk to you all about like how I feel about, you know, my YouTube channel. So you guys, basically, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like people were like trying to not necessarily coerce me. I don't know how, y'all know what I'm talking about, into like doing certain things or not saying, not necessarily doing certain things, but not saying certain things on YouTube and whatnot. But I've decided that this is my channel. I'm gonna do what the fuck I want to do. Excuse my language. But yeah, cause I'm gonna be me, and all them other videos you've seen, that is me too. That's a part of me, you know. I love God. But I gotta be myself for real. Like, I have to be me. Not that I was pretending to be anybody else, like I just said, because I wasn't. That is a part of me. I love to talk about the Lord. It gets me excited. But yeah, like, I just feel like I have to do what's best for my future and for my channel, despite what other people may say or think about it, because at the end of the day, I'm the star of my own show, and this is it. So yeah, anyways, yeah, that's really it, to be honest. So really, y'all about to see like a lot more videos of like story times. Eventually I'll start vlogging again. I don't know when, but eventually I will. But one thing I do like, you know, about y'all, I really like it when y'all be active. I really like it when y'all share, like, comment, subscribe. I really like all of that. I really appreciate all of the support that I get. Yeah, it's very important to me. And it would really help me if y'all comment, like, if y'all get a little bit active with me. you know, more than a little bit, a lot, because I like to talk to people. I recently posted this picture, no, this reel on Instagram, on my business Instagram, and I really need y'all's help. Like, this little project that I'm doing, I need some feedback. I need y'all to tell me which lashes that y'all liked, and all the lashes and stuff. It's on my Instagram, my business Instagram. Anywho, anyhow, I'm not gonna say too much about the stuff that I have going on because y'all see it when y'all see it. It's a secret project, but I'm pretty sure you guys will be excited. I'm excited. Yeah. Anyways, let me tell y'all what I've been watching on Netflix and stuff. So I've been watching Lucifer. I've been watching Manifest, which is really popular. I'm pretty sure some of y'all have seen it. It's real good. Oh my goodness. I don't think am I watching anything else? I'm about to start back and watching. I heard it was like a new season of Good Girls, so I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna watch that. And what's that show? American something? I don't know. But it's with the I don't know. But it's with this black football player and his coach or whatever. All American. Yeah, I've been watching that. I watched that. It's a new season out, and I'm gonna watch that eventually. But other than that, I really haven't been watching too much. You know, I've been on YouTube. You know, Kylie Shay just came out with the new brand, with her K14 brand, with her hairline, and that's lit. Her YouTube channel is lit, y'all. And she a businesswoman. I love entrepreneurs. If you have a business or you're starting a business, please let me know in the comments and put down like your links and stuff so I can go and support. You know, every like, you know, everything is very important. Like, I appreciate it when you guys like my stuff on Instagram, or you share something, or you like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I appreciate all of that, because all of that is support, even if you're just telling like your friends about it or whatever, because you know, you never know what could put money in somebody's pocket just by word of mouth, literally. But yeah, you but this board or whatever I think I got this from Dollar Tree. Like $1. And if y'all don't have no printer at home, or y'all can't get to one, you know, I think like at every library the printer is like some change, literally some change. But if you can't get there, then I would suggest using magazines. And if you can't do that, then if you have a Pinterest, which I'm on Pinterest too, I actually have a board called like Manifestation Board on Pinterest, and that's really where I got all these pictures from to keep it 1,000. I just printed them out. Now you see me cutting them out. I did forget a couple of things, like my dream car, which I don't know. I don't think I necessarily really have a dream car right now. I'm really not like, you know, I want the car with the stars in it. You know, I like it, but I don't know. That's just not my focus right now. Like later on. But I guess just put like what you or how you feel like, or what you feel like, you know, is important to you in the moment, or like in the near future. But I'm gonna explain to y'all what some of my pictures mean. I probably will explain every single one of them, but because you don't have to tell everybody everything, and that's where people be messing up at. They feel like they owe somebody an explanation or something. Me, on the other hand, I don't owe you nothing. Maybe a smile. But even then, shoot, Share what you want to share. You don't have to share everything. Everything is not everybody's business. Have y'all ever heard of like oversharing? You know, I used to meet people or whatever, and I used to like, you know, we would have conversations and whatnot. And like, if you know me for real, like in real life, do you know like I don't know, like I'm easy to talk to. Like people tell me a lot, like I'm easy to talk to, like kind of like they can confide in me, you know. And that's cool or whatever, but I used to overshare with people at times, and then like a week later we would end up not being cool no more. Like they would do something shady or something. And me, like, I'm the type of person, like, I'm quick to cut people off. I'm quick to stop talking. And right now I am working on that. I'm working on not holding grudges, which at times I really don't be thinking they grudges. Like I really don't. I just be like, I don't care no more, whatever, bye. And that's that, period. Like you lost your chance being cool with me. But that's when I realized like I was oversharing. And recently, like, I saw the post, and y'all have probably seen this post. It'll basically like be like, and I've said this in past videos, like, stop telling people everything, talk to the Lord. And that's so true, so true. Which is another thing, y'all, the way like I got these pictures all together so I wouldn't have to like waste a whole bunch of ink and paper, was on iPhones or whatever phone you have, as long as like you have like an app store or whatever, you can probably get Word, the Word document app or whatever. And that's what I be using. I have a lot of apps on my phone. Just not games, baby. I don't like to play games. But yeah, I used that app and I just kind of like put everything together. Some of it was overlapping, so I'm gonna cut a little bit of this picture off. Yeah, I'm about to stop recording and record back when I'm on the gluing part. All right, you guys, I'm back. As y'all can see, I got cold, but this is my board so far. I had to start gluing stuff, but I just want to show y'all all the stuff. I got this board. Oh yeah, I did tell y'all I got this from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, I had it for like a year. I've been playing this video for like a long time, but here we are. There we go. And I got this glue. I had a glue stick somewhere, but I don't know where it is right now. I'm not about to go look for it either. But I haven't used this type of glue in a long time, so I don't even know if I'm really cutting the right thing I'm supposed to be cutting. I don't know. But we'll see. Anyway.
Of course, I have a lot. Of course. This is what happens. This is what happens. Okay. So now we got 2 pals.
So now I think I'm gonna go ahead and start sketching out the word vision board up here.
And I'll probably make it a little bit more smaller. Oh, Jesus.
we go. It might be a little bit slanted, but I don't really care right now. But let me make sure y'all can see this. Y'all can see the outline. Like I said, you guys, I'm not an artist, but I can sketch. Stilettos are not my thing, okay?